Kids are heading back to the classroom, so DC Public School students are on their third day back at school, and some classrooms don't have working AC units.
Parents have complained about broken HVAC systems in the past, so we wanted to check back in on how the city is doing with keeping them up to date. To share more on that, let's bring in our Jess Arnold live at Cardozo Education Campus in Northwest DC. Jess, what have you found out? Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, well, I took a look at the Department of General Services dashboard. They have one for public work orders where you can check on the status of all of these, and that's the department that fixes all of these HVAC systems. And as of 5 minutes ago, there were more than 600 open public work orders for broken HVAC systems. Now, 79 of those were listed as high priority, with a higher concentration here at Cardozo than I saw at most of the other schools throughout the district. So we're not talking about a small amount here of students that are dealing with these issues. Now, when DGS receives any of these work order requests, they categorize them into one of three priority categories. They either go into emergency, high priority, or routine. That's based on availability of resources, workforce, and weather. Now, when it comes to the timeline, their website says that they work to complete routine work orders within 45 to 60 days. A spokesperson for DGS did tell me that sometimes a work order has been completed, but it is still listed as open on the dashboard because all teams have to sign off on it, so it's officially closed. So the true number of open work orders could be slightly different, but he couldn't tell me exactly what that number might be. He also told me that between DGS and their contractor partners, they have 135 technicians, engineers, and operators that are maintaining DCPS HVAC systems. They sent me a statement that reads in part, quote, "To support HVAC concerns in our school buildings, DGS and DCPS partner closely to address issues that arise, closely monitor school temperatures, and provide temporary measures to impacted areas while repairs are completed." Now, I asked DCPS what happens if HVAC systems are not fixed as it continues to get hotter, particularly today. And a spokesperson said that first they try spot coolers, portable AC units, fans, and relocating students to cooler spaces. And then, quote, "When alternative learning spaces are not available, the district factors indoor temperature and estimated time of repair to the HVAC system prior to making that decision to close school." Now, I haven't heard of any decisions made to close any schools or release students early, but we of course will keep an eye on that throughout the day to see if this temperature that we are talking about ends up leading to students not being able to learn inside of some of those hot classrooms. Guys.
All right, Jess Arnold reporting. 5:06 is the time right now. Hey, if you or someone you know needs a way to beat this heat, just text the word heat to 202-895-5599 and we'll text you back with a link for all the cooling shelters that are open today across the DMV.